like I get a lot of buyers asking me how they go about getting a property on off market. What advice would you give them?
It's funny, I feel like that's probably the one question that people ask the most is, what have you got coming up? How can I get an off-market opportunity? When you think about it, the off-markets aren't necessarily open to everyone. So if I was to ask you, which buyers do I show through off-market listings, what would you answer to that? What do you know? Think about it. Think about the history of those buyers. What is it about them that you notice that encourages me to get them through off-market properties?
You know them. You have a relationship with them.
Okay, and what does that look like?
Some properties pop up and you literally like, I know exactly.
Yeah, so why do I know them?
Because they stay in touch with you, they reach out, they're
One,
always asking you if it's available.
What else do they do? They've come to
open homes, you meet them.
What else have they done?
Tried to bid on properties.
I reckon the number one thing that buyers that get through off-market opportunities, the number one behaviour is they've missed out on other properties.
Yeah.
So while there's a big portion of the market that are waiting to act on properties, waiting to make an offer and all of that, it's the most active buyer that agents say, you know what, you've missed out on one of my other properties or you're an underbidder on another one.
Yeah.
I'm going to get you and I'm going to take you through this property here.
Yeah.
So I guess my message there is the most active buyers are the ones that are getting all the opportunities, including the off-market ones.
Yeah.